Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by confirming the essentials. You need the Only Way event unlocked and the DLC/season entitlement active. Once confirmed, make sure your account level and credit balance meet the event entry requirements so you won't be turned away mid-run. Next, accept the Only Way challenge from the event menu and sync your progression to the cloud. Do this now. The event timer starts when you accept. This setup avoids losing runs and ensures your progress registers for the Hellcat reward. You now execute the core Only Way objectives. Drive the prescribed route, hitting each checkpoint and time trial target. Precision beats brute force. Use a tuned muscle car setup, upgraded engine, tires, and controlled nitrous bursts. This gives consistent splits and prevents spins. Pay attention to bonus multipliers from drift zones and modifier tasks. Stack them where possible. Once you clear the primary objectives, complete any linked side tasks the event requires so your score meets the threshold to unlock the SRT Len's Hellcat. You finish by claiming the Hellcat reward. Open the event rewards screen or the in-game showroom and redeem the vehicle immediately. Make sure it appears in your garage before exiting. If the car doesn't show up, resync your cloud saves and restart the game. Sometimes reward rights fail on disconnect. If that fails, capture screenshots of event completion, your account ID, and transaction receipts, then contact support. That evidence speeds resolution and usually restores the vehicle within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.